My dad wanted me to become a doctor. People were talking about me being an OnlyFans creator ऐसे like see I like थोड़े मुझसे लंबे लड़के. Wait, let me think. Even though he's a good friend, guys, I would say marry. गोलू बुला रहा है मुझे, गोलू गोलू. Oh my god. तुम अच्छी से पूरी नींद ले लो, शादी के बाद तो कहाँ नींद पूरे होने वाली है. No, my penguin! Hi guys, this is Mizo Plays and I'm here with IGN India to beat Manaswi because she DM'd me नहीं हो रहा क्या? What was that about?
देखो मीजो, तुम्हारा गेम्स देख रही हूँ मैं आजकल. वाकई भी नहीं हो रहा तुमसे. देखते हैं आज हो पाता है क्या.
आज इन्हें रॉन्ग प्रूफ करने का समय आ गया कि आप एक होस्ट ही हो और मैं एक गेमर हूँ. एंड वो आपको भी पता चलेगा when we have this 1v1 and Fall Guys.
Yeah, I mean Fall Guys मैंने चूज किया because देखो BGMI देख रही हूँ मैं तुम्हें आजकल खेलते हुए. बहुत प्रो गेम प्ले चल रहा है तो I was like you need a break. So let's try out Fall Guys today.
I guess it's time to remind them कि I'm a PC gamer first. So you're gonna get a taste of that.
Okay, I'm ready. But before we start, I have multiple levels of challenges. अगर तुम्हें prove करना है कि तुम gamer हो, can't just skills. You need to know about games. Okay?
All right, easy.
But I'll give you a break. थोड़ा सा audience को भी जानने दो कि who is Mizo really? How did you actually get into gaming?
So guys, when I was 12 or 13 years old, my dad got a PlayStation 2 for my brother. But I ended up using it क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ही curious थी कि ये क्या चीज़ है. And ever since that day, I've been like this hardcore gamer. अभी आजकल थोड़ा कम हो गया है वो सब क्योंकि I've got busy with content creation and everything. But पहले I used to game a lot to a point where my dad had to like literally lock away the PlayStation 4 क्योंकि मेरे board exams थे and I was not getting off that thing. Then I got a PC क्योंकि PlayStation पे you can't stream. And I saw a lot of streamers making money online, Indian market में भी and बाहर भी like girls like Pokimane, Sniper Wolf and India में a lot of people were already streaming. So I was like, I need to start streaming too. And that's when I got a PC. तब से I got a PC, I started streaming and now I'm here with IGN.
Oh, IGN is
Long
glad
way.
to have you. I mean, long way, यार. तो ये बताओ content creation. You saw a lot of people doing content creation, but फिर घर से resistance था कि यार ये क्या कर रहे हो? And if not gaming, what did you actually want to be, and how did you like end up into gaming?
Oh, funny story. So, see, I never wanted to be a gamer, streamer, whatever. It was like always a hobby for me. My dad wanted me to become a doctor to a point where he even like उन्होंने मतलब सारे formalities भी कर दिए थे मेरे admission के लिए. And at the end moment I was like nah, I'm not doing that क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा time, energy and like dedication जाता है एक डॉक्टर बनने में. And I realized कि even though I have the brains for that, I just can't give my time, my whole life can't revolve around just being a doctor, right? क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है. And I am a gamer and I was interested in gaming more, so I was like, I'll figure it out, देख लेंगे क्या करना है future में. Resistance तो बहुत मिलता था, like dad, like I said, my dad would like take away my PlayStation and all. Like he regretted gifting it to us. And then mom भी बहुत चिल्लाती थी कि 12-12 घंटे गेम्स खेल रही है सोफे पे बैठ के, उठ नहीं रही है, पानी भी नहीं पी रही टाइम पे. लाइक बहुत, क्योंकि once you get into gaming ना तो you don't think about क्या चल रहा है, टाइम कितना फास्ट जा रहा है. तो वैसा मेरे साथ होने लग गया था. आई यूज्ड टू लाइक सिट फॉर 6-7 hours एक ही स्पॉट पे इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई TV एंड दे वर लाइक कि आँखें ख़राब हो जाएगी, तबीयत ख़राब हो जाएगी, फिटनेस नहीं हो पा रही है तेरी, कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है. तो रेजिस्टेंस तो बहुत मिलती थी गाइस, बट देन आई प्रूव्ड माई सेल्फ. Like I started earning through gaming, so now they're very supportive, and they're the most supportive parents right now, and they just want the best for me, and they're actually very happy कि हाँ हमारी daughter is doing something in a very completely different field than the other relatives, and they're also in shock कि gaming से कैसे इतना कोई कर पा रहा है. तो
Yeah, I mean makes sense कि parents के तो time पे तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. Like Backstreet में movie star, but उस पे भी taboo था कि movie industry is like so weird because nobody knows what actually goes in there. तो उसके अलावा like tell me कि तुम्हें like अभी now that you are into gaming, what do you see yourself doing? Like जैसे random ass वो बोलते हैं ना कि where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years,
Yeah.
okay, so gaming is always going to be my first love and what made me who I am today. But I'm really interested in traveling, and it helped me explore content creation. And through content creation, I saw that I could travel the world and make content. So, in 5 years, I would see myself in a different country, like 5th, 6th country of the year. कि मैं गई हूँ and मैं content shoot कर रही हूँ मेरे Instagram, YouTube के लिए. So not only would I do gaming, I would also travel the world and shoot content. That's
Mizo ke vlogs, guys, coming
Yes.
soon.
Yes, it's already in plans. I'm already pitching myself to people कि यार मेरे को free में travel करा दो. आपके
Guys,
लिए बहुत
Curly Tales
content.
is right here, okay? You can just talk to them.
But हाँ, that's the goal.
So we're gonna play a small round of rapid fire. You need to answer the questions without thinking, okay? Just जो सबसे पहले दिमाग में आता
Are
है.
they related to gaming?
They are related to you. So
Okay.
okay. What's the most underrated game that you've ever played?
Witcher 3.
One gaming moment that made you cry, like happy or sad.
Last of Us. The ending of Last of Us, guys, पूरा sobbing, दिख ही नहीं रहा, इतना आंखों में tears आ गए थे, मेरे screen ही नहीं दिख रही थी. I was crying that much, and I don't want to spoil it for the audience, but guys, you should really play The Last of Us.
Alright. एक चीज जो a lot of people want to know, do you script your content or do you do improv?
To be very honest, scripted नहीं होता है most of the time. क्या होता है कि we plan a flow, ठीक है? तो flow में we try to improv. That's what I do. I already plan कि हम इधर जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. But जो भी बीच में होता है, that's all natural. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Script work नहीं, मुझसे तो नहीं हो पाता है. तो हाँ, it's all whatever you see is me, guys.
लफड़ी हुई है क्या किसी content creator के साथ कभी?
ऐसे online तो नहीं हुआ है.
Okay.
But
Viral
ऐसे
हुआ है?
Behind the scenes हुआ है.
बताओ.
ये नहीं बता सकती.
यार किसके
थोड़ी
साथ
internal
हुआ है
बात.
वो मत बताओ यार. कुछ तो बताओ.
बस ऐसे कभी ऐसे सेम टाइम पे क्यों स्ट्रीम कर रही है वैसा हुआ है. इतना बड़ा लफड़ा नहीं हुआ है, बस ऐसा थोड़ा लड़कियों में कैट फाइट होता है ना, तो ऐसा हुआ है. बट नाउ आई एम इन गुड टर्म्स विद ऑल ऑफ देम, सो इसलिए कुछ मुझे ज्यादा डिग नहीं करना है, वरना वो बोलेगी मेरे बारे में बात कर रही है.
If you feel like everything is falling apart, one thing or a person or an activity that makes you feel comfortable.
Wait, let me think.
Just smile.
I like
आई है.
sleeping. I just go to sleep.
Yeah.
That's all that I could think of. I'm sorry.
A pet peeve that you have, ये चिढ़ मच जाती है किसी चीज से.
So when a person smells bad, I don't know, a musty थोड़ी smell आती है, वो I don't like. Then I don't like when people eat in bed. क्योंकि फिर क्रम्स गिरते हैं ना, तो फिर स्किन को टच होता है बेड पे, तो गंदा लगता है एकदम. तो जब भी I have people over and they're trying to eat in my bed, I would just be go down and eat. Don't eat in bed.
Are you a diplomatic person or are you like a straightforward person?
देखो, मैं डिप्लोमेटिक पर्सन बन चुकी हूँ इंडस्ट्री में रह के. मैं हूँ नहीं बिल्कुल भी, बट बीइंग इन विद सर्टेन पीपल आई हैव टू बी डिप्लोमेटिक.
This
आई am
industry.
straightforward.
What is your comfort food? What or something that you like to snack upon when you're streaming or something?
I like popcorns, जो ready-made आते हैं. So while streaming or gaming, I have popcorns, and then I like Maggie. Yeah, all junk.
A game that you pretend to love but actually hate.
You have done your research. Cut.
कट कर देना प्लीज इसे.
A game that you want to have a remake for.
Dark Souls
1, 2, 3.
1 and 2. Also God of War 3.
A game that you absolutely refuse to play on stream because तुम्हें मालूम है कि अगर ये पर्सनालिटी बाहर निकल गई तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
देखो, मैं कोई भी गेम खेल लेती हूँ, मैं कंट्रोल कर लेती हूँ अंदर का रेज एंड जो भी गाली वाली देनी होती है, सब कुछ आई कंट्रोल. तो ऐसा कोई गेम नहीं है, बट अ गेम दैट आई रिफ्यूज टू प्ले हैज टू बी मोबा गेम्स. आई डोंट लाइक मोबा का कॉन्सेप्ट, ऊपर से वो 3D एंड ऑल फाइट्स. No.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. I play a lot of Dota 2.
Oh, shit.
I hate it. I absolutely hate it, but I just...
Sorry. Are you a Dota fan?
No, I am not. I'm telling you, I hate it. It's just that I can't stop playing it.
Oh, okay.
That's my problem.
Yeah, it's stripping away your sanity. You're trying to rank push and like keep losing, obviously. So
Yes.
कोई ना, Valorant में भी होता था, इसलिए गेम छोड़ दी मैंने.
All right, that was it. Thank you so much for answering honestly. थोड़े से questions के answers ऐसे मिले कि तुम figure out कर लो. Abhi, let's talk about, because we're talking about your online presence, a lot of that also attributes to how an audience sees you. Abhi, mostly the audience, you know, gaming audience is largely sexist. But do you ever think that like pulls you back ever, or how do you deal with it?
Like I'm on Instagram, right? And I do post gaming content on Instagram too. But then if I post a picture of myself, they'll be like, gaming किधर है? You're a gamer ना, game किधर है? ये वो content नहीं है ये वो. I'm like, भाई YouTube पे मेरे घंटों के streams पड़े रह गए, Wukong के, Elden Ring के, इतने सारे games के. आप लोग वो ignore करके आप Instagram पे आके comment करोगे. मतलब their clear target is to just show everyone कि this girl is not a gamer, even though they know कि I am. And they know that I'm doing good in life, but they just want to demotivate, and they know that girls are easy targets. Like that's what they think at least. So I just want to say कि आप लोग जितना भी hate देते हो मुझे या कोई भी gamer girl को like VV, it's not gonna budge us down. ठीक है, it's not gonna work. We're still gonna keep growing, and if anything, it motivates me to just do better. You know what happened to me once, guys? I was playing ranked, ठीक है, in CS. And I was 15,000 ranked, okay? Like, so they heard me on the mic, my teammates, and they did that vote thing. And I got voted out of the team for nothing, just opening my mic. Guys, ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. तो सोचो कितना बुरा है.
You know, our director over there, Mr. Srinath, I have told him the exact same thing that this has happened to me. Nothing, everything. Okay, deathmatch servers होते थे. Deathmatch servers में पहले everybody could vote anyone out. Everybody just playing, they're singing, they're like bantering. I tried to join in. They're like, ha ha ha, yaar tu. Just tried to pile on. Ladki, ladki, ladki. And then like some bad words. And they're like, okay. And immediately one person presses, oh, okay, vote kick. I'm kicked out. This happens. And it's
For
like...
no reason. Just because we're girls.
Okay, first round तुम्हारा, ठीक है, trivia. This is where the test starts.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
What are the names of the two main protagonists from GTA 6?
From GTA 6, Lucia and M से no J. I don't know the guy's name. I forgot. But Lucia is so hot.
Yeah, she's so hot.
I keep seeing her edits, so Lucia दिमाग में engrave हो गई है.
Okay, so the guy's name is Jason. But again,
Jason.
I mean,
Okay.
Name 3 Indian-made games.
Kamla, Fauji, Indus.
I mean, now that you've told me that Witcher 3 खेला है तुमने,
Oh,
I'm a fan. Witcher 3 has 2 DLCs. Can you name them?
Oh shit. I've played them. No. I mean, I don't remember the names. I just downloaded them. बहुत सालों पहले की बात है guys, नहीं याद है. Like,
Okay. Do you want to know the name?
yeah.
The names are Blood and Wine, where the vampire thingy happens.
Yeah.
And Hearts of Stone, where the magic wish granting guy joins in. What is the real name of Sova from Valorant?
Soa का real name Soa नहीं. Soa. Oh shit. No guys. Soa का real name.
It's Sasha Novikov.
Oh shit, Sasha. Okay.
Yeah. What game features a boss fight with character named Ishin the Sword Saint?
Sekiro.
Yes. What's the name of the final boss in Hades?
Hades.
Hades.
Not played that game.
Oh. Hades himself.
Oh my god. अरे यार ये तो अरे.
What's the max level cap at Dark Souls 3 without mods?
I don't know, 75?
So it's soul level 802.
Oh.
वो ऐसे
मैंने कोई और figure बोल दी 75. Shit.
Do you know what is the first weapon that we get in Half-Life 2?
Oh shit. Half-Life 2 I've played. Oh my god. First weapon. कुछ blaster types. No, the knife.
It's a melee weapon.
Yeah, melee weapon में क्या? Like a screwdriver thingy.
I don't know if we should give it up. सारे
screwdriver पूरी tool box name करने वाली हूँ.
Okay, before you go there, I'm gonna tell you it's a crowbar.
Crowbar, हाँ. In my head मतलब वो ऐसे वो जो रहता है ना उसका
हाँ.
सर मुड़ा हुआ, वो मुझे पता नहीं था उसको क्या बोलते हैं. So
Yeah. You know what? You're still losing. So we have a challenge for you. I don't know if you'll be like ready to do this challenge, but it's a challenge, okay, Mizo? It's your first podcast. You gotta do this.
what is it?
So we're all aware that you get a lot of thirsty comments on your posts. We're not aware of the DMs that you get.
Oh.
I want you to read out 3 of the thirstiest DMs.
Like abhi jo recently. Okay. Oh, this is a sweet one, bro.
Oh.
He's like पानी पी लो वगैरह. तुमको पानी पीना है, एक दिन में 5 लीटर पानी पी लो, तुमको पानी पीना. He's like looking out for me. परेशान हो मैं, ठीक हूँ, अब सो जाओ. Hey, sorry. अभी he's तो thinking I'm in a relationship with him or something. One-sided प्यार चल रहा है इसका. बाप रे.
He replies to every single.
गोलू बुला रहा है मुझे. गोलू. Oh my god.
वो अपना डिलुलू में मस्त है.
पगली वगली बोल रहा है गाइस, जैसे उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड हो. Like he keeps sending एक ही story पे look at.
He replies to a single story like 4-5 times.
And he's like पानी पी लो पगलू, पागल लड़की में स्ट्रीम पे नहीं आ पाया, मैं सो रहा था ना. ऐसे he's like in his own delusion only कि he's dating.
That's kinda sweet. It's like
तुम अच्छी से पूरी नींद ले लो, शादी के बाद तो कहाँ नींद पूरे होने वाली है, फिर तो तुम बस काम करोगे. See why? What is wrong with this guy?
he's enjoying reading that. Oh my god, this guy is he's created an entire universe around me.
God, I can't even read all this, bro.
Ew.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Just profanity. Yeah, मैं कभी hidden नहीं खोलने वाली हूँ.
Yeah, I'm sorry I made you do that.
This is the thirsty one. ऐसा.
Oh
Yeah.
god.
Something about growing.
Brother,
यार ये बंदा पूरे दुनिया भर का भी पानी पिला दो, इसकी प्यास नहीं मिट रही.
नहीं.
Oh god. कभी मन करता है ऐसे लोगों को रिप्लाई करने का?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
No,
Block,
just
सीधा
block.
ऐसे बहुत बार हो चुका है. अभी बीच में भी फालतू का ऐसे people were talking about me being an OnlyFans creator ऐसे like for no reason. I don't even know why. तो उसके लिए I got mad. I was like कि ये सब क्या बोल रहे हो. मतलब ऐसे बहुत डिफेम करने के लिए आते रहते लोग. I just stopped replying to them. I used to reply a lot before. But then फिर मुझे मेरे godlike friends ने बोला है कि मत किया करें. तो मतलब रिएक्शन ऐसे न्यूज़ चैनल्स को क्लिप्स मिल जाती है ना, सो इसलिए मैं अभी रिप्लाई
Oh
नहीं करती.
yeah, the news channels. Come on,
Yeah.
यार. Have you ever had an incident with any of these news channels कि जैसे random ही कुछ भी उठा के out of context clips वगैरह डाले तुम्हारे?
न्यूज़ चैनल्स ही होते हैं, बट they are clippers, okay? We call them clippers. तो they just try to like take a clip and show it in a negative way. जैसे कि एक मैंने अभी वीडियो की थी साक्षी के साथ, तो उसमें सामने वाले मैं बंदे को पूछती हूँ कि what car do you have, and he says Mercedes, and then I get ऐसे थोड़ा like they show my reaction and I'm always smiling, blushing and all, कि ये मेरे normal है, मैं ऐसे smile ही करते रहती हूँ. तो they try to show it कि मैं Mercedes का नाम सुन के खुश हो गई थी, but the only reason I asked कि तुम्हारे पास कौन सी गाड़ी है is because वो मेरी गाड़ी का मजाक उड़ा रहा था. So I was like, तुम्हारे पास कौन सी गाड़ी है? तो they completely removed that part. He made fun of my car. And they put बस उतना ही कि मैं सामने से लड़के को पूछ रही हूँ कि तुम्हारे पास कौन सी गाड़ी है, because it was a dating kind of a show, right? तो फिर वैसे बहुत negative चले गए, people like she's a gold digger, this and that. क्या बोलूँ मैं?
Guys, मीज़ो बहुत कमाती है, उसे क्यों करना है gold dig? Why?
There's no need for me to gold dig. And by God's grace, I have a very well-doing family. तो gold digger की तो बात कहाँ से आती है पता नहीं. ब्रांड डील्स में इतना आता है, सुपर चैट का अमाउंट लुक्स थोड़ा
कितना आता है मतलब बॉल पार्क एक
लाइक मंथ में,
ईयर में पकड़ लो.
ईयर में नहीं, आई कैन से मंथली बिकॉज ईयर लाइक
Depends.
इट डिपेंड्स. हाउ डू आई से इट विदाउट एक्चुअली सेइंग इट? लाइक
So can you like ballpark अगर नहीं like if it's a C tier maybe it's in lakhs or in say E class है तो फिर maybe it's in say thousands like tens of thousands ये range में and tens of lakhs में है तो S class.
S class.
She is so disappointed.
Recently
Thousands?
S class, but usually the lakh वाला कौन सा था? C.
मैं भी भूल गई अभी भाई.
But हाँ, like अभी I've entered that league. So
Okay.
yeah, 2025 is a great year.
So let's move on to another round, and this time I'm gonna show you some of the hotties from the gaming world, and you have to tell me if you will smash or you'll pass.
Oh, that's Mesmer. He's super hot. Yeah.
He is
His
right.
aura is very sexy.
And then
Mesmer is smash.
Yep. The answer that I expected.
Smash.
Okay.
Why? Smash. Like yeah, she's hot. I would agree she's hot. So smash.
Yeah.
Both are. Obviously, I think जिसने भी Resident Evil खेली है उसके लिए, I think the boys are also gay for him. So smash. Who's this? Oh, I see.
Bayonetta.
Nah, pass. I mean,
It's Ghost, by the way.
goes. Yeah, smash.
We we've never seen his face.
Yeah, actually, इसके बहुत reels मेरे feed पे आते थे तो I was like, oh shit, my Instagram feed is here. क्या बोलूँ?
No, I was like, oh, she's a huge COD fan. If I need to ask this question. What do you think? If you had to like rank out of all of these guys, what would you rank them?
Listen, I'm like devoted to Geralt of Rivia. He's a Witcher character, so these guys are nothing in front of him. मैं उसके प्यार में पागल हूँ.
Okay, last up, we have some pictures of characters or side characters from games, and you need to recognize which game it is.
Okay.
All right?
ये कौन है?
I'll give you a hint. He is game ही इसके नाम पे है, and it's an Indian game that was launched recently, and it's gotten a lot of international love.
Pass. I don't know.
Okay, that's Detective Dodson.
No.
You should actually check out the game. You'd like it.
Oh wait, this chick, she's in.
That's Mio from Split Fiction.
अरे बाप रे भाई, उसका पीछे का ही दिखता है most of the time तो मेरे को याद. I mean the back of the character when I was just playing this game recently with Godlike members.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how I didn't get that. Red Dead Redemption. No, wait.
Are you sure?
No, wait. No, I don't know.
That's Indy from Indiana Jones.
Nah, I've not played Indiana Jones. I've watched the movie. कौन सी गेम का मेरे को याद है, मैंने खेला है. Bro, I don't remember. ये सब पुराने गेम्स के ना?
नहीं.
ये recent है?
Yes. That's Repo. Headman from Repo.
Oh my god, to Repo. हाँ, right.
This one?
Enjoy.
Yes.
I was just playing this last night. Yeah. That's Last of Us में. Last of
Character
Us
का नाम?
2. She's the lover of Ellie, na? Sam, no. See, come on, you need to give me points for at least knowing who she is.
Yeah, I mean fair.
Yeah.
100%. 6 में से you got 2 right. Still losing, yeah. I think it's about time that we give her kill, date or marry. First up.
Techno. Marry. Carrie. देखो, I feel like Carrie के साथ शादी कर ली, जिंदगी भर रोस्ट होते रहोगी. I think kill Carrie. But I love Carrie. I love his content. But मेरे को I know he'd just roast me all the time. So पहले Fukra, think he's dating. So kill.
Jonathan.
He's a good friend, guys. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. But I would say marry क्योंकि ambitious है, hardworking है, and nature में भी काफी अच्छा है. Like arrogant नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. So marry Jonathan.
Lols.
I know something about LOL, so I'm gonna say date.
Okay.
I don't want to say marry right now.
Okay. Admino.
एडमिनो देखो 1 साल पहले ही ज्वाइन हुआ है, हमारी इतनी बात नहीं हुई है, एंड but he's a great esports player and all, and I have a lot of respect for him, but I think I'll kill Admino.
Alright, that was it. मौत के घाट तो बहुत लोग उतरने वाले हैं. मीजो के DMs में भी है काफी. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, guys, it's time for the final showdown. Cute सा मैप है. इसमें पेंगुइन होगा. हमें पकड़ना है उसको सबसे ज्यादा टाइम. नहीं तो दूसरे को धक्का देना है. पहले
एक ही पेंगुइन है?
हाँ, एक ही पेंगुइन है. क्या? भाई ये क्यों भाग रहा है? I lost the penguin. I don't know where the penguin is.
I have it. You're not getting it back.
Oh, you got it. Yeah. No. मैं भी उड़ गई. Oh no. नहीं. मीजो दूर हो जाओ. Bye. हा. मीजो नहीं हो रहा क्या? नहीं. Oh. पेंगुइन वापस पकड़ गया.
और ये कैसे?
नीचे गिर गए. देखो.
अरे यार अब ऊपर चली जाएगी वापस. अरे यार.
I'm gonna do this for a while.
That's unfair. That's not.
और रुक गया. नहीं. ये सीधा क्यों नहीं भाग रहा? तुम्हें पकड़. इसको कैसे पकड़ूं? Now all I have to do is just make sure she doesn't take the pin. नहीं. हाँ. कहाँ गया? Oh wait. वापस आओ.
Okay, I think I lost. There's
Oh.
no time.
Why is she? Where is the timer? Ow.
Did. ये लक था थोड़ा, ठीक है तुम्हारा.
Yeah.
पेंगुइन भागने में क्या स्किल है यार? She just got the penguin and she ran away.
I did not get the penguin. The penguin was right there. I just had to go and grab him. Okay. Okay, यहाँ पे बस येलो बटन जहाँ पे दिखे उस पे जंप करना है. ओए नहीं. ओ मैं क्लिक करने गई थी उसको. ये फैन उड़ा रहा है मुझे. ओ नो. ओ तुम्हें 2 पॉइंट्स कभी मिले? Where is the other button? हाँ ये वाला तो मेरा है.
अरे यार.
Are you competitive IRL as well?
Yeah, pretty much. I got really mad when I wasn't getting the penguin. Like, अंदर ही अंदर में गालियाँ दे रही थी. क्या गेम है? और तुम भागे जा रही हो.
But school वगैरह में have you ever been competitive or?
Yeah. So I was a district level this volleyball player, and I used to even play handball and all. तो स्पोर्ट्स में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व थी पहले से.
Wow.
Yeah, and I was also an athlete, like a track athlete. So I would like do 100 meter sprints and all. But उसमें I wasn't that good. I would get silver and bronze only.
Wasn't that good?
See, I told you I'm an athlete. Really fast at pressing buttons, I guess.
I think
Easy.
0.1 for you, 0.1 for me. But
So now we're even.
Yeah, I actually got distracted because you said something really intriguing. You've been a athlete, like esports छोड़ो यार, athlete.
Athlete as in यार, मतलब ऐसे इतने बड़े लेवल पे नहीं. I just used to do track races like 100 meters, 400 meters, and इतना भी नहीं. Like I got gold once and silver and bronze. तो मिलते रहता था. But वो 12th तक ही किया मैंने, and then mostly मेरा टाइम वॉलीबॉल में ज़्यादा था, and handball also I used to play. But volleyball में I think I have been to district level.
Wow.
Almost state level too, yeah.
Just humble
12th.
brags यार, ज़्यादा नहीं यार. उसमें तो मुझे बस silver
Now
और
I've
bronze
become
आता
a couch potato because I got into gaming. तो घर पे बस बैठे रहो, खाते रहो.
But then
Like,
again, you've had that competitive spirit within you anyways. तो वहाँ से फिर like tournaments वगैरह. You also mentioned कि तुमने esports tournaments खेले हैं.
Yeah, streamer invitationals थे mostly. So in that, I've earned quite a bit. Like I think I won a very big Warzone invitational tournament, जिसमें बहुत सारे players like Scout and Sick Warrior, Mackle, like really big Call of Duty वाले players का tournament था, and I was in there, Team Mizo, and we won the tournament, which was very unexpected.
Damn.
तो उससे भी I've earned, and then I've earned. अभी recently Valorant का एक tournament हुआ था जिसमें Rakazone वगैरह बहुत like हम दोनों की teams थी, and we won that, so I earned from that as well. So ऐसे streamers वाले में my team does really good, always podium finish.
Actually, let's jump into the last game क्योंकि अभी esports tournaments वगैरह की बात कर ही रहे हैं हम तो ये है हमारा final showdown moment, okay? Who's your dream team streamer invitation? अगर streamers की ही हम लोग बात करें तो like streamers
For
के
which
हिसाब
game?
से Valorant.
Oh, okay. I guess. Oh shit! No, you're doing so good.
Damn, I almost fell into that pit. It regenerates.
Oh.
तो धोखे से गिराना पड़ेगा किसी और को. बस भाई मैं खुद
I think it's going to be me. This girl called Casper, she's really good. And वही मेरी team में थी last time. And और कौन? SK Rossi.
Streamers बोला यार तुम अभी
तो वो भी तो streamer है. वो streamer
He is an esports athlete who streams.
Okay. Streamers. Then Rakazone. Who else?
नहीं. Yes.
I distracted you well, guys.
She did.
मैं जानबूझ के धीरे-धीरे आंसर्स दे रही थी कि वो मेरे को ऐसे पुश
मैं
करे कि
impatient हो रही थी और ये बोल.
I guess my strategy worked. Yeah, it was Rakazone, part 2, me, Casper, yeah.
Okay.
And T-Bone. Yeah.
Okay. But again, you know what? Casper भी नहीं count करते क्योंकि Casper is also an professional esports player.
Oh my god. See, I want a gamer girl in my team जो Valorant अच्छा खेले.
Streamers.
I guess मेरे Godlike से Shakshi.
That's a nice team. That's something that I would like to watch. We did a lot of these games around Kill Marry Kiss and then like Smash or VA वगैरह सब कुछ. But we never asked you actually what is your ideal type in guys.
Ambitious होना चाहिए. Career को लेके काफी serious होना चाहिए. See, I like थोड़े मुझसे लंबे लड़के. So मुझसे लंबा होना चाहिए. And he should be ऐसे पूरा अरे यार समझ नहीं आ रहा.
She's imagining somebody so hard right now.
I'm not.
I can see you blush.
He should be थोड़ा मतलब मेरी हर बात सुननी चाहिए उसने. Like he should let me guide him थोड़ा तो. And he obviously should be वैसा one woman man, romantic types. And I date to marry, so he should have that vision कि इसको डेट कर रहा हो तो मुझे भी शादी करनी इससे बना. ऐसे टाइम पास करने वाले बहुत लड़के मैंने देखे हैं, रिजेक्ट किए हैं. मतलब दिख के आ जाते हैं उनको, नहीं बना के रखना है. तो ऐसे लड़कों से आई स्टे वेरी फार. एंड जो होते जेन्युइन लड़के वो मैं मतलब फील हो जाता है. तो that's my type, like serious about marriage and like थोड़ा old school love.
Oh, that's. I mean, yeah, that's a dream. And whoever dates her, don't listen to her. You've heard her. She changes guys for good. Come on, let her. सुन लो उसी. But yeah, Mizo, तुमने prove कर दिया है कि तुमसे हो रहा है. It's me जिससे नहीं हो रहा. So thank you so much for being here, yaar. We've enjoyed having you here, and we're actually looking forward to seeing some vlogs from you.
Sure thing. And guys, comments में बोलो कि नहीं हो रहा क्या बीवी, क्योंकि इन्होंने मुझे चैलेंज किया है. ये बहुत बुरा हाल है. But I had a great time chatting with you, and I hope you guys have fun getting to know me more. मैंने कभी ऐसे podcast किए नहीं, so thank you so much for being a great host. That was